Hello everyone, Deb Floros, guest designer for Beading. With just these few little things, you can make a really cool bracelet. I'm going to do this on stretch cord. This is 0.5 millimeter stretch cord. I've pre-stretched it and I've strung on these cool 11/0 antique copper metal seed beads. And they're really nice quality. They don't have sharp edges, so I felt pretty comfortable using them with stretch cord. I then used 3 little daisy spacers before a very cool curved tube bead. It's actually a noodle tube bead. And I love the way that this looks on the wrist. And to add a little bit of something next to that noodle, I added those little daisy spacers. Then I added 3 more on the other side and then finished off the bracelet with more of those metal 11/0 seed beads. They are super cool. I love the mixed metal look of this. The only other thing that I did was add a charm, and I added it a little bit offset. So I see this a lot in boutique style jewelry. There's a charm, but it's offset. It's not necessarily right in the front or right in the back of the bracelet. So I did that. I had a really cool little moon charm, and I used some jump rings, 2 of them, 4 millimeter, to attach them to my stretch cord. And then I just used a traditional overhand knot and then a surgeon's knot to complete my bracelet and secure it. Then I cut the ends and I used a little bit of GS Hypo Cement to make sure that that closure is secure. I love how this came out. You can find everything to make this fun, stretchy metallic bracelet at beadaholic.com. Thanks so much for watching.